Michaela.
So my dish is garlic butter biscuit with breakfast sausage gravy.
Michaela, where's the egg?
Still in the skillet. I cooked an egg, it was ready, and I was plating and getting it ready, and I just forgot to get it.
Wow. The amount of disappointment that I feel within myself that I have let her down.
Well, dang.
When I am trying so hard.
I'm a perfectionist, I just can't believe I forgot the egg. I did my best, though.
Okay. I really like the sausage. I love the consistency of the gravy. I like the crispy bacon. The arugula wakes up the whole dish. Was really, really good. Thank you.
I'm making some broccolini to go along with champagne and lobster. Because like if you go to a nice restaurant, it's kind of like a standard thing. I'm gonna do it like they do it at the nice restaurants. Sear it in butter and garlic. It's alive!
It's alive?
Chelsko just took out a live lobster.
Oh, poor thing.
Like, it's a real animal. Hello, it's right there, it's moving. Oh my God!
They put the live lobster next to me. Oh, it's looking at me.
Hey, Chelsko.
Yeah?
What's the matter?
I don't know what to do, it's alive, I don't want to kill it.
Oh, she's really crying.
Oh my goodness. Chelsko, how did you think it went from alive to cooked?
I should have known lobster is gonna be alive at some point. I can't kill a living creature. Does it look like Fred can fit in here?
You named him? Oh, girl. That poor lobster.
Oh my God, it's moving.
Hold my hand, hold my hand, hold my hand.
I can't believe that shit's moving.
I'm so sorry, Fred. I'm so sorry.
Dude.
I'm sorry, Fred.
The lobster's dying. Oh, rest in peace to Fred.
Go sleep.
Put it all in there.
Go sleep.
The thing was trying to swarm out with its testicles. Is it testicles or tentacles? Ew.
Now we're good.
I'm so vegan after this.
I'm just so proud of where both of you are. The recruit on the blue team who will be moving forward is Stacy.
Congrats.
Michaela!
This opportunity was so much fun, and I learned a lot.
I'm gonna go home with my head held high, even though I wanted to win.
Thank you for always being blue.
I'm still winning in my heart, and I am thankful for Chef Tiffany for everything. So, this is the one time I'm okay with losing.
The winner is Stacy.
Just one worse cooks. My knees are still a little weak, okay?
You are walking away with $25